Welcome to the show, kids. Today, we're going to unbox a Lego set. This thing is so heavy. Let's dump the pieces out. Whoa, whoa, this is so heavy. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. Oh, here's bag number 2.
Number 2.
Wow,
Bag number 1.
Bag 11 too. That's a lot of pieces. Guys, this is a Ninjago Lego set that we got from Santa. We opened this and it was a Ninjago Lego set coming with some mega tape. Woohoo!
Yeah, and here is instructions.
Yep.
We're gonna do it on the floor because it's gonna be big.
I think it's gonna be like. Now let's get the scissors. The green ninja. See that green on him? Green everywhere, see that? Hey kids, we're done the red one too. Aching, aching. Hello guys, welcome to the show. I am the red ninja. Aching, aching, aching. See my sword here? Hey guys, we're done another guy. He has 4 arms. Isn't that scary? I'm gonna chop you guys. I'm a bad guy. Ching, 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 ching. He's pulling me. Now we're done, right? Now we're done this guy. Ching, 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 ching. Kids, we got this dog done, and it does lots of actions. Here it is. It has wings, and it could also do. Oh, broke it. Not done yet. Oh, there it goes. Now it's done. It goes like it could do that. Woohoo! That's one action it could do. It could glide across the air. Woohoo! It's like a flight suit, right guys? That he's wearing, but only the holes have to be there and they're covered. Woohoo! And there's 2 of them. See on the picture, guys? 2 of them. I forgot to introduce Santa to you guys. It's recording, Santa. I'm gonna drive on you, Mr. Moose. I'm driving up a hill. Ah! Hot Wheels, let's go. Okay. Wow, first try, I did that. Kids, if you know what these are, comment down below. If you know what these Ninjago things are. They have wings, they fly. Me and my dad built 1 minifigure each. My dad built this white one, and I built this one. Aching. Now let's build the bridge. This one's super hard. Ooh, pretty awesome how you build this. Hey kids. Oh Dad, there's your minifigure that you built. It's right there on the picture. Like he's getting crushed. This guy is the best ninja ever. He's the best ninja. He's the best at fighting. Blue ninja. Put it farther away. Oh, there we go.
Let's get something.
Yeah. Yeah, you put the sword on and I builded him. Welcome to the show, kids.
We finally finished building this machine.
Yeah.
This setup.
Yeah. And
Took us a whole day.
yeah.
And now we get to play with it.
Yeah.
And you guys can play with us.
Yeah. Want to see that? I want to show. Hey kids, watch this.
A wrecking ball. Wrecking ball action. Can you actually put a figurine in there?
Where?
It's a booby trap.
Oh yeah, Mr. Figurine.
And slide the treasure chest out. Here comes the figurine.
But first let's show the kids what's inside the treasure chest. Hey kids, this is what's inside the treasure chest.
Gold.
Yeah.
And it's on a sliding platform, which is
Yeah.
actually a booby trap.
Yeah. And also, we got another booby trap right here. And
there's a
another one
sword.
right here.
Wow, it shoots actually.
Yeah. And it
It's
shoots these.
There's a ninja circles.
Yeah, like ninja stars with three edges.
And
And
it
there's
shoots
another one in that box. And some swords. Now look
Yes,
at
there's
this
a spare one.
statue.
Okay,
And there's a cage right here. Like, guys, I'll show you something with this, with the blue ninja. Watch. Oh no, I'm going in jail. Ah. Oh. Oh no, I'm in jail. And it could also flip. Woo!
nice. And there's the
And you
sword.
could go like this too. Oh, hello. Wow, I'm out of the boat jail. Ow. Hey, help me. Okay, I'm just gonna climb. Ah, 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 ah. Ow, that hurt. Hey, Mr. Treasure.
Yeah, it's a treasure chest. It goes
Yeah.
in here.
Watch this. Ooh, pretty cool place.
Oh, you put a guy in there.
Yeah.
Okay. then-
Oh, that
Oh,
hurt.
that's a dynamite you drop in there.
Yeah.
There's a dynamite place. Can you put the dynamite back?
Yeah.
It's a dynamite booby trap.
Yeah. It falls on the people's heads,
Who
and they
falls on
fall
those who wants to get to the treasure.
Yeah.
There, he's trying to get to the treasure. And there is a couple booby traps. There's a rock falling, dynamite, and shooting ninja circles.
Wrecking ball.
Wrecking ball.
Sword.
Sword. And we planted a tree here.
Yeah. I'll show you where it's from.
Huh.
Even elf ears.
Yeah, elf ears.
Yeah. Want to see me wearing them, guys?
Yeah?
Dad, can you put them on me? Dad, put them on.
Oh, you did it. How is that? Ta-da!
Watch, guys. This. Oh no! Oh no! Ah! Whoa! Isn't that cool? He's hailing. No way! It's like he doesn't want to fall in the hot lava. That's so awesome, right, guys?
You put them all on the roof.
Yeah.
And just the red guy is down. Let's show the red
On
guy.
the stairs.
On the stairs, ready to go through the door. But he doesn't know how many booby traps in there.
Yes, he does.
Treasure guardians.
Guardians.
Good
The treasure guardians.
Treasure guardian dogs.
Yeah, treasure guardian dogs. 'Cause they love treasure. And guys,
Today was
remember this guy? We made a video with him.
Yeah. Robodog.
Yeah. But we named him Dino.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
But he doesn't know there's many booby traps.
Yes, he does.
He does?
Watch.
Okay.
Wahoo!
First, this treasure chest slides out.
Hiya! 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 I got the treasure, guys! And then the treasure guardians come in. But first he opens the treasure. Gold! This is crazy!
There he found the gold. But how come he stole it and never fall into any traps?
Because he's smart.
Because there is a wrecking ball.
Yeah, and he looked
Let's
up
wind
and saw it, the both of the booby traps.
This is a wrecking ball.
But now he's coming for the sword.
And there's an opening door in the floor.
Yeah. Trap door. I'll show you.
Trapdoor.
I'll show you guys how it works. There's a minifigure and then wow.
Yeah. He didn't
They
fall
go
through.
outside.
He got too many swords on him.
Yeah.
So he didn't go through
Yeah.
the trapdoor.
That's why. Whoa. What the heck happened? What? The blue ninja fell down.
Uh-oh.
That's what happened. Ow. Did you hear what the blue ninja said? And here's another trap. Booby trap, guys. Watch. This is gonna be awesome. Oh. Ah, that did not
It
work.
shoots.
Yeah, it shoots. Yeah, first try.
Whoa.
Where did that thing go?
He survived. He survived the shooting trap.
Yeah. Now where is
And
that?
this is a secret scroll
Yeah, but I
to
don't.
read.
But I don't see the disc.
Oh,
There,
found. found
Oh my
this.
gosh, that's crazy.
There it is.
That is super crazy. Wait. Ah. Maybe I have to go put it inside. No, I need the white guy. Where's the white guy? Oh, there he is. Watch, you guys. This is gonna be awesome.
That's gonna hit him.
Look. Ah, that's weird. There.
Yeah. You hit him. And what's up there? A little higher.
Where? Oh yeah.
There's swords, some treasures, and spare ammunition, ninja stuff. There is TNT that drops on the guy.
Yeah.
There is a box of TNT here.
I'll show you how it works. Mr. TNT.
TNT is explosion.
Yeah.
Explosive.
Ah!
Right on his head.
Yeah, right on his head, and he fell
He
down.
never would get the treasure.
Yeah.
Let's put the treasure back on. So that's where the treasure is. And he just about to get to the treasure.
But then,
Yeah.
and I think the reckoner falls down on him after
On top
that.
of, yeah.
And then,
Making him even more happy.
and he falls down. Hey, mister, you come up here. And they go like, ooh, what is this place? Ah, jail. Oh no, I'm in jail.
I wonder what the statue guarding. There is a snake beside the statue.
Yeah,
And some secret scroll right there.
yeah.
And that's a booby trap.
And this scroll moves.
And there is a cages underneath.
Yeah,
Under the statue.
yeah,
It opens up.
yeah.
There. You want to open one of the cages? This one falls out. And the other one just swings to the side.
Yeah. Move the dog first. First I need to move this dog. And watch on this side, okay, kids?
Okay. Wow, that falls out.
Yeah.
There's something inside. Like another
Yeah,
jail
it's
place.
the dungeon. I mean jail. And this gold thing.
That's what pushes the mountain out.
Yeah,
I think it's a secret entrance.
yeah, maybe. To get out
Yeah.
of jail, like. Let's watch. Hey kids, let's see. Let's watch it.
Okay.
He's going to jail. This guy's going to jail. But then, oh, hello, kids. Oh, I got out of jail.
Nice. You escaped.
Oh, yeah.
Red snake. Nice. Put it back in the jail. Bad guys go in the jail with the snakes.
Hey, kids. Right now it's getting way more spooky. See? On, off, on, off, on, off.
He's so excited to get to the treasure. And what happens next? He falls through the trap. And falls down through here. There is a trap, a booby trap.
Yeah, that's the waterfall.
Waterfall?
I mean the fountain.
Fountain. That's interesting.
With a diamond inside of there.
Wow, I think it's a crystal.
Yeah, it's a crystal. But did you know that I saw people finding diamonds in real life?
No, I never seen that.
I saw.
Where did they find them?
At the beach, buried.
I've seen some people finding gold on the beach.
What did you say?
And ambers. Ambers? Do you know what ambers is?
No, I don't know.
Well, thousands of years ago there was a forest.
Forest?
And it was, amber is kind of like a juice from a tree that gets hardened, and sometimes it could trap insects in. And when
Oh,
you
like
find-
that sticky stuff
It's
inside
sticky.
the tree? Oh, I
And then
know.
it turns-
I know that stuff. It could get people stuck inside trees like,
No, not people. It only can get the small insects stuff.
Yeah,
Or sometimes the
But
little tiny
people-
birds.
but people can cut a hole and go in there.
You're funny. But it's interesting because people can see thousands or millions of years old insects
Yeah.
finding in those ambers. And what else can you find on the beach? Maybe shells,
Yeah, shells. Ducks.
ducks. Yeah, on a lake, not on the ocean beach. Well, let's see how the doors get closed on this. Ta-dam! Ta-dam! The doors is closed to the temple. Treasure is well protected. To me, I never watched the movie,
Me too.
but to me it watched like a bag of golden coins. And there is
I'm just gonna watch.
some weapons in there.
But guys, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna click Netflix and go to Ninjago. Oh yeah, I'm gonna watch Ninjago, and it's gonna have that bad boy in it.
Okay,
I'm
but
gonna
first
look.
we're gonna go sledding down the hill
Yeah.
today. So, see you guys on the sledding.
See you guys on. No, maybe first we should play, because we played a little tiny bit.
You wanna play more?
Yeah?
Okay, you play, and I will film.
No, you play with me.
Well, I'm grown up. Grown ups don't play much with this.
Lego set.
Yeah.
Well, they're good at building.
Oh yeah.
Three, two, one, out of the hole. Whoa, one fell. No way. That thing is the strongest one so far, I think. Don't you think so, kids? Because this mega tape is super sticky, but it doesn't stand a chance against this. But one does stand a chance. The snake protecting the statue.
Treasures.
Yes, the treasure fell right out. Guys, did you see that?
Who's stealing the treasure? Didn't see who was that.
Red Ninja.
Oh, Red Ninja. Is he the coolest?
No, the Green Ninja is the coolest because he's the best.
That's good to know.
I made a, what is that thing shape again? Hexagon.
Pentagon?
Pentagon.
No, this is a hexagon.
Well, how do you know?
It's hexagon.
I made it.
6 sides. The pentagon is 5 sides.
kids. See you in the next video. Bye. Bye kids. See you in the next video.